Hello everyone. This is in continuation to the subject Quantitative Techniques under NEP syllabus meant for 5th semester BCA. In this video, we are going to solve the problems which were asked in Jan 2025 Bangalore City University question paper. So here it is the question number 1. The number 89715138 star is divisible by 4. The unknown non-zero digit marked as star will be what? So we know a number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits is divisible by 4. Here the last two digits, the last two digits is 8 and then our star. And the unknown digit cannot be 0. They say non-zero. And star cannot be 0 as per the question. Hence, the star can be 4, which means that can be 4 since 84 is divisible by 4. Therefore, the value of star is 4. So that will be the solution for this question. Let me move on to the next question. Question number 2. In how many ways a committee of 4 people can be selected from 10 people? Straight away it is combination because you are involved in choosing. So that can be done in 10C4 ways. 10C4 can be expanded as 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Calculating this, we will get 210 ways. That is the solution. Let me move on to the next question. Question 3. If x plus y equal to 23 and xy equal to 126, what is the value of x square plus y square? We know x plus y the whole square will be x square plus y square plus 2xy, which means this implies that x square plus y square should be x plus y the whole square minus 2 times xy. This is 23 the square minus 2 times xy value is known to be 126. Now 23 square is 529. 2 into 126 is 252. Subtracting these two, 529 minus 252 will be 277. So that will be the value of x square plus y square. Let me move on to the next question. Question 4. Find the simple interest on rupees 20,000 for 4.5 years at 9% per annum. Simple interest is defined as P into N into I, where P is the principal. Here principal is 20,000. N is the period, number of years. So it is 4.5. So we can write 4.5. I is the interest rate, which is 9% given in the question. I can write it as 0.09. So multiplying these three numbers, we will get the simple interest as rupees 810. So that will be the solution for this. Let us move on to the next question. Arrange the following fractions 17 by 18, 31 by 36, 43 by 45, 59 by 60 in ascending order. So we need to find out the LCM of the denominators. So LCM of 18, 36, 45, 60, we have to find. For that, we will do common division method, means 18, 36, 45, 60. So we can divide everything by 3, we get 6. So 36 by 3 will be 12, this will be 15, this will be 20. Again, we will divide all this by 3. First one will become 2, this will be 4, this is 5, this is not divisible, so write as it is 20. Next, we will choose 2, this will become 1, 2, 5, it is not divisible, so this is 10. Next, we will choose 5. The one I will write as it is 1 and 2. Now finally we'll choose 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. So the LCM of these 4 numbers will be 3 square into 2 square into 5. 3 square into 2 square into 5, which is 9 into 4 into 5. 5 fours are 20, 20 into 9 becomes 180. So we will express all these fractions having a denominator 180. Means, so the first fraction is 17 by 18. So we need to bring the denominator to 180, which means we are multiplying by 10. So the numerator also will multiply by 10. So it becomes 170 by 180. Second fraction is 31 by 36. 31 by 36. Denominator, we are making it 180, which means numerator also we should multiply. 36 into 5 gives you 180. So numerator also will multiply by 5. We get 155. Third fraction is 43 by 45. Making the denominator to 180 means we are multiplying by 4. If we multiply 4 with 43, we get 172. Then fourth fraction is 59 by 60. Denominator 180 means we are multiplying by 3. So numerator also, if we multiply by 3, we get 177. Therefore, in ascending order, the numbers, the fractions will be least number 155 by 180. Then next least is 170 by 180. Next is 172 by 180. Next is 177 by 180. So going back to their original numbers, 155 by 180 is 31 by 36. So I'll say that is 31 by 36. 170 by 180 is 17 by 18. Next, 172 by 180 is 43 by 45. 177 by 180 is 59 by 60. That is the solution for this problem. Next, part B, we need to find the HCF of 9 by 10, 12 by 25, 18 by 35, 21 by 40. So for finding this, we need to factorize. So first we'll factorize 9. 9 is nothing but 3 square. And if I factorize 12, it is 2 6 or 2 3s are. So 12 can be expressed as 2 square into 3. Then next one, 18. 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are, which means 18 can be written as 2 multiplied by 3 square. Next, 21. 7 3s are. So 21 can be written as 3 into 7. Therefore, HCF of 9, 12, 18, 21 will be, here we may notice, product of the least prime. Least prime means only 3. Now we have to find the denominator's LCM. So LCM of 10, 25, 35, 40. So let us do common division method. 25, 35, 40. 5 2s are, 5 5s are, 5 7s are, 5 8s are, 2 1s are, 5s are, 7s are, 4s are, then 2 1 5 7 2. Then 5 1 1 7 2. Then 7 will say 1 1 1 2. Then 2 1 1 1 1. So the LCM will be how many 2s? 2 cube. How many 5s? 5 square. How many 7? Only 1 7. So we get 8 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 7. So it becomes 120 into 7. 200 into 7. We get 1400. Therefore, HCF of fractions or given fractions, HCF of given fractions will be HCF of the numerator, which is 3, LCM of the denominators 1400. That is the solution for this question.